Well guys, I'm back. I was looking at this light I broke in a recent video and I think I can fix it. Let's get this. Looks to me, maybe, that I can move. Maybe. We'll see. That could come off of there. This oh, I don't lose. Oh, gotta get in there. Little tiny Phillips. Looks like we could take this apart. Maybe. Might have to take these screws out. Let's see. Yes. See? That came out of there. Now let's cut a pair of side cuts. Cut this little ring off of there. There that is. The only problem is these wires. If I can shove. Let's see. I think the wires are in our way. Screws. Turn that off. Let's see if we can get the rest of these screws out of there. Get down in there. Need my That's the only problem. These wires. And I gotta find my screwdrivers. Where are they? There we go. I think I might get it. Check this out. There we go. Take this back plate off. Alright, there we go. Okay, got that dude in there. Okay, now we can put this back down in there. Spread that far enough apart. There we go. I want to put the little baby screws back in there. All good as long as I didn't pinch the wires. Down in there. Still works. This one. You see there? Just because something's broke don't mean it's broke. You can always try to fix it. I probably could have sent it back. I just got it off Amazon. I'll show you what it is. Here's the work lights. I don't know. Just a Chinese light. They were like, I think it was less than 20 bucks for 2 of them. But yeah, he can still twist it. Just can't fold it now. But yeah, it was my fault. I got in a little hurry and broke it when I turned my wheel. But yeah, there wasn't no fixing that. I mean, super glue might have held it for a little bit, but so yeah, don't get upset. Just take time, tear it apart, and fix it. But I just wanted to share that with you. I know you've seen me break it in that last video, but most things can be fixed if you take the time to check it out, look at it. So yeah. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Later. Bye. Oh yeah, I'll put a link in the description of where these bulbs or these lights were at. I'm sure I got them on Amazon, but I'll definitely put a link in the description. See ya.